Let me in.
Wait, we shouldn't go.
Why?
No, wait.
That's the best for so much that you really flip it, live it. From bikes to friends to video games, it's the biggest toy store there is.
Gee whiz!
I don't want to grow up, 'cause baby, if I did, I couldn't be a Toys R Us kid. More games, more toys. Oh boy, I want to be a Toys R Us kid.
Hey everybody, welcome to Ikea. We're going to be going inside very soon. We're going to do some fun stuff.
Really? Really? This is my first time in Ikea. Never been.
Are you serious?
This is my first time at Ikea.
Oh my god!
Alright, so
We have to make a return.
wait, is Ikea Swedish?
I've never been in here.
Never. I've never stepped foot in here. I don't know where to go. I feel like I'm at some sort of museum.
$1.
We got ice cream.
I don't have a dollar. Oh, I do. No, I don't.
I do.
Screw it.
Want to get some ice cream?
No, I shouldn't. I shouldn't.
Ice cream.
Is it good?
Anna, put the hazmat suit down. Put the hazmat suit down. What is that?
Lying to me. I think this doesn't make sense.
Oh no, we got a crier. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Pick your bungalow.
Hello. Welcome to my chateau. Come on in.
What's your favorite thing to do in your free time?
Just paint. Naked. Water?
No thanks. What did you call this place?
My chateau.
What's your favorite book?
Once upon a time.
Oh, what's over here? What's that?
Oh, my bad. Come on.
It's time for a story.
He's eating ice cream on the toilet.
Sauce.
Right here, chef. Right here. Just give me 1 second. 1 second, chef. 1 second. 1 second. Here, right here, behind chef. It's hot.
Hey guys, my name's Anna, and welcome to 2062. I live in a wasteland. Right here. That's a storage place. Well, Mark is sure he's close to work. Their budget is $64 million. Oh. What?
Easy sells umbrella insurance.
Dance.
Well, Mark, this is stay-at-home iguana watching. They're a big
Thursday through Monday, save a hot
Oh my god, this is definitely
It's quite chilly in here, isn't it?
a little bit stupid. One day and just come here and eat and just watch TV.
Can you imagine watching like the Super Bowl here? I had too much sushi and now my belly really hurts. Mark, do you have sushi belly?
No. You only have like 2 pieces.
Yeah, you only have an avocado maki.
I had a little crazy.
You had some crab rangoons.
I had crab rangoon.
Just one.
Coconut shrimp.
Sushi belly right now, over and out. Oops. It's called a pubic sphere.
This is the nomination ceremony. As head of household, it is my responsibility to nominate 2 house guests for eviction. I will turn 2 keys.
You're done. Let's go to
Anna, get up there.
You're done.
The first person I've nominated is. Second person I've nominated is to Anna and Ashley. Anna, Ashley, you are both beautiful women, and I think you guys are doing a great game. But right now, I can't have either of you here.
Well, guess what?
This nomination ceremony is adjourned.
I've got a hit in Immunity Idol.
No, y'all have to get up in slow motion.
No, and then it goes.
Pencil
I'm going
that
with
in.
my Anastasia brow dip.
All right, all right. I'm like grabbing her head.
Pretty accurate.
I feel like the only
Update.
reason I came here was to make me sweat.
We're miserable here at Ikea.
Send a helicopter.
Ash, look. Ash.
It's
Can we do like
it's been 4 hours and we haven't made it.
Dire. No food. No water. We've been in Ikea 24-hour challenge.
I literally am full. I am full of rice.
That would be a good challenge.
Do you know what that hours?
It's been 12 hours and we haven't even found a water source yet.
We just keep finding empty toilets with no water inside.
We don't know what to do. The jungle just keeps.
We're gonna kill Anna first and eat her.
She's green.
Update. I'm sunburned.
There's an itch I just can't scratch.
I'm hungry and I almost ate Anna. Can we get out of here? I really just do really want to get the out of here though. Oh no!
No!
Can't get out.
Mark, you're just like my Uncle Felipe.
A burrito.
A burrito.
Mark, get out. Mark, get out. Mark, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Can I get a burrito at Chipotle?
I've broken my ankle and I'm pissed off. I haven't had anything to eat. I'm sweaty like I can't.
Hey Anna, I think we're gonna head out.
Come on.
Yeah, Ikea is low-key purgatory, and
the cash register is heaven.
yeah, the cash register is the gates to heaven.
gates.
All right,
Yeah.
one word that describes the whole experience: inconvenience.
Tiring.
It was just, for me, it was just something that I was not expecting, and
Sentence, not a one word.
oh,
One word.
tiresome.
Tiresome.
Yeah, tiresome. We're about to leave purgatory.
I'm a raindrop right now.
It's like a TSA kind of deal. Yay! 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 Mark! Mark!
Look at Ash.
He's sleeping on blue ball blanket. BBB, triple B. Drive home safe. How was your guys' experience at Ikea?
It's purgatory when you've just eaten and whole sushi. Ready to go home.
Really?
Kidding. Yeah, we felt like we just walked out of the apocalypse.
Yeah, I literally.
I feel like once I got out of those doors, I was like,
Yeah.
we just got out of a war zone.
Yeah. It feels like yesterday when we were up in that little bathroom area and you were eating your ice cream on the toilet.
I know. It was a long time ago.
Anyways, this was an experience. Bye. Oh my god, Casey almost got hit by a car.
Heather almost hit the car.
Oh, Heather. Shit. Okay.
Left for
Okay.
dead too. Tried not
Bye.
to set off the alarms.
Bye.
Did you hear what I said? Left for dead too. Tried to spin.
Came out.